issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Denton County in north central Texas, eastern Cooke County in north central Texas, northwestern Grayson County in north central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanger, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Sanger, Whitesboro, Pilot Point, Pottsboro, Collinsville, Callisburg, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, Eisenhower State Park, Southern Lake Texoma, South Maid, Tioga, Valley View and Sadler. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 476 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,